I just got my dog shaved, and he started humping the grass and stuff. Is he gonna hump the grass yet? Okay. His ass. That ass. That ass. That ass.
No, Oogie, stand up.
Stand up, I need to get your butt.
He's trying to sit down.
That ass.
No.
Stop sitting down!
Stand up, Oogie. Stand up.
Oh my God.
Up. I need your butt up.
Hold his ass up.
I really don't want to be touching your weenus. Good boy, Sam, just like that.
Stay.
She's thick right there.
Don't hurt his ass.
I can't even find it.
It's lost in the wilderness.
It is. See how thick it is right here?
Man, this camera is so bad quality. Oh crap.
That one's one?
Yeah, it is.
We got some dingleberries.
Is that a bear?
Oh, man. What are we gonna score?
We've been traveling 100 miles and we didn't score.
What's the best score?
That guy's old, but he probably scored 1,000 times. Yep. Do you think we should let him run around for a little bit?
I want to see him hump the grass again.
Yes, that's what I got this camera for.
Okay.
Start up in the grass. Sit. Is he doing it? When's he gonna hunt the grass?
He knows you're videoing.
I'm not videoing you.
Leave him alone, Jake.
Okay. Let's wait until he humps.
Over here.
Let's wait until.
Oh yeah. Here you go. Boy, you're shaving good. Not very good, but shaving at least. He's a little football.
He's a little sheep thing.
Oh.
Shug. What are you doing? Finding a place to rape the grass?
Gotta find a good spot.
Yep, there he goes. The grass is like, no, don't.
Oh, yeah, get it. My balls itch.
Okay, that was the moment we've all been waiting for. Oh, I think he's at it again. He's raping the shadows. He's like, this is called the tick me. The grass's name is Vespa.
Oh my gosh.
He's like,
here all over you, Jake.
He's like, oh yeah, Vespa.
Vespa?
Vespa. He's like, oh yeah, Vespa. Where'd he go? There he is, he's over here. Oh yeah, Vespa. 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 He's like, Vespa likes my sexual moves.
You can put that on YouTube, Jenna.
Yeah, I am. I have a YouTube account too.
Ooh.
This is called the tick me. Vespa likes my sexual moves.
Shaved on my balls too.
What the heck? Get it.
Oh my God.
Let's zoom in.
Distract him.
You feel better now?
You can hear him breathing. Oh my God.
He's all,
He's like, oh yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Oh, you like the grass. You like to hump a grass.
The grass is his girlfriend.
Hi. How's he look?
Like crap.
no, he looks good.
He looks like a piece of
Jenna?
Oh, I'm just kidding. Shaving action.
It's shaving time.
How do I get it really close right here?
What the heck was that? can record him licking the air as well. I don't know.
Dang, this thing's too hot. Needs a rest.
Let's record him licking the air. Pet his butt, Dad. This dog is a freaking weirdo. He's a pedophile.
Tinkerbell.
Tinkerbell's a pedophile?
No, Augie's a pedophile, not Tinkerbell.
You got fur on your head.
Ah!
Me?
No, me.
Don't go in the house like that.
Tinkerbell, what are you doing? It's too dark, I can't see you. Come on, Tinkerbell. Come on. This is so you can see Tinkerbell in the daytime. Come on, Tinky. Tinky, Tinky, quee, quee. This is my dog Tinkerbell.